Labels and stickers are a really good solution for anybody who's looking to label their products, decorate an event, create artwork with some stickers, or really anything else. And getting labels made for you, completely customized and personalized to be exactly how you need them to be, is actually a pretty straightforward and easy process. But in this video, we're going to be looking through a few commonly asked questions that might help clear up any misunderstandings or confusion you have about any parts of the process of ordering custom labels or printing them yourself at home. The first question we're going to look at is, how do I design a label? If you don't have a design ready, there are a ton of different programs you can use to design your labels and stickers before ordering. Depending on your project and what you already have, you can either create artwork from scratch or start with a template. With Maestro Label Designer, you can find our blank and pre-formatted templates, so you can find what's best for your labels. You can fully customize your design right in your browser with our library of graphics, fonts, and design elements. With our templates, you're not only able to nail down your size and shape, but choose from a wide variety of visual styles so that you can find the perfect look. After tweaking your design elements and finishing up in Maestro, you can send your design directly to us to print, or download it and print it at home with your own label or sticker material. And question number 2 is, should I order my labels or print them myself? Whether or not you should order your labels custom printed or buy blank material to print them yourself depends on a few factors. Ordering online can save you time and energy dealing with printer issues and is a better choice for large quantity orders. Ordering this way also ensures your labels will be really high quality with a sharp image and vibrant colors. Printing at home, on the other hand, is a great option if you have space for a printer and gives you the opportunity to preview your designs in person before finalizing them. If you're not working with too many labels, this might be a stronger approach for you. We have a full video that goes a little more in depth on these choices, so check it out through the links in the description. And if you're printing your labels at home, it's not uncommon to run into at least a few printing alignment issues. So our third question is, why are my prints misaligned? There are a lot of reasons your designs could be printing off-center on your sheets. Usually there's some kind of compatibility issue with your printer and material, or something up with the design. Again, we have a full video on this topic that breaks it down more in depth and talks about a few specific issues that could be causing the problem. Another question about printing, number 4, is, do your materials work on all kinds of printers? We offer materials for our labels and stickers that'll work for both inkjet and laser printers, but we also have inkjet exclusive and laser exclusive materials available, so it's really important to make sure you order a compatible material before starting the work. Check out all of our materials on our website to find which style and durability works best for you, and which type of material is going to give you the best result in the most professional prints. And the next question is, are labels waterproof? Not all of our label materials are waterproof, but while we're here on the materials section, we offer a variety of weatherproof materials that are the perfect option for giving your labels some extra strength and durability. Going with a waterproof material can help your labels survive any kind of harsh conditions, including extreme weather, temperatures, and shipping damage. Using this material ensures your design stays sharp and your label isn't flaking away or tearing over time. We have a video that walks through all of our waterproof and weatherproof materials and goes a little more in depth, so check that out through the link below too. Another question we often get is if you can write onto your labels. You can write on many labels, but depending on which material you choose, you'll have a harder or easier time doing so. Still, here on the materials page, you can find which options will allow you to use Sharpies and other pens and markers on the paper itself. Make sure you find a compatible option before ordering if you're planning on drawing or writing on your labels. And the last question we'll be answering today is, what shape are stickers? The answer to this question is, whichever shape you like. We offer die-cut stickers, which means your sticker will be shaped exactly how your design is. All you have to do is submit your artwork and let us approve your design to make sure it's staying within the proper margins and is ready to go. If you want to order your design printed on a different, more standard shape, we have other options for you to choose from as well. Now we've gone through a few commonly asked questions, and we hope that we cleared up some confusion for you guys if you've had any trouble along the process of creating your labels and stickers exactly how you need them. If you have any other questions that you want us to look into in a future video, make sure to leave a comment while you're down there as well, and hit subscribe for more helpful label content and fun videos for small businesses, creators, entrepreneurs, and more. Alright, we'll see you next week.